Yeah. Yes, again an unboxing video for my favorite company, Protape. That's it. Protape, 4 pieces uncut, super thin, for $8 plus free international shipping. So yeah. Focus. Yeah, as you can see the deck. I mean the thickness is super thin. As you can see the pores, very grippy. I just like to hold it, man. Yeah, my deck, I got it on Protape, with thin, as you can see, grippy. It is much more grippier than this one because this has worn in somehow. So yeah, super thin, super grip, super cheap. 4 pieces uncut. Yeah. So yeah, link below. Just go to our website and buy Protape. It's good and cheap, plus free international shipping. So yeah, very nice. See the difference? Good, very grippy. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe and buy Protape or a deck at profingerboards.com. Yeah, right, Pro. Yeah, peace, man.